Hey guys, welcome back. So what we're looking at today is 11-6, multiplying mixed numbers. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So how do you find the product of mixed numbers? A clothing factory has machines that make jackets. The machines operate for 7.5 hours each day. How many jackets can each machine make in one day? So machine A does 2 and 3/4 can make 2 and 3/4 of a jacket, and machine B 3 and 1/3 an hour. So that's how much they make an hour. So for machine A, we're taking 7.5 times 2 and 3/4. We need to change these into improper fractions. Your keyword for this lesson is improper fractions. That's how we're going to multiply these. So 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So we have 15 over 2 times 2 times 4 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. All right, so now we're going to take 15 times 11, which will get us 165, over 2 times 4, which is 8. Now, you need to convert these back to mixed numbers. So how many times can 8 go into 165? Well, it can go in 20 times. 8 times 20 is 160, so there's 5 8s left over. So there's our answer. So 20 and 5/8 for fraction A. Now, or for machine A, sorry. Machine B, same idea. Well, we already know the 7.5 is 15 halves. So that's the nice thing about this. 15 halves times 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, so 10 thirds, equals 15 times 10 is 150 over 6. 6 can go into 150 exactly 25 times. So machine B makes more than machine A does. All right, here we have 2 and 3/4 times 8. So convert, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So we have 11/4 times 8 over 1. So we have 88 over 4. 4 can go into 88 22 times. So remember, we are simplifying these to get our mixed number versus our improper fraction. All right, 4.5. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So we have 9 halves times 1 times 4 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So 5/4. 9 times 5 is 45. 2 times 4 is 8. 8 can go into 45 5 times with 5 left over. So 5 and 5/8. 5 1/4. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So 21/4 times 7 times 3 is 21, plus 2 is 23 over 3. Now here's a place where you could use that simplifying and cancel the 21 and the 3 to make that 7, to make it a little smaller, but you don't have to. So 21 times 23 is going to give us 483 over 4 times 3 is 12. Now 12 can go into 483 40 times. 12 times 40 is 480, so we have 40 and 3/12, which can get simplified further to 40 and 1/4 for an answer there. So yes, do simplify on these. All right, and our last one, 2 and 5/6. So 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 5 is 17, so we have 17 over 6 times 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10 over 3. So we have 170 over 18. 18 can go into 179 times. 18 times 9 is 162. So 170 minus 162 would be 8 left over. So we have 8 and 8/18, which can be reduced, or sorry, 9 and 8/18. The 8/18, we can divide each of those by 2. So we'd end up with 4/9. So 9 and 4/9 would be our solution. All right, so all about multiplying those mixed numbers. Convert them to the improper fraction, then multiply like you would regular fractions, and then convert back into a mixed number. All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a great day.